Hello students, today we shall have discussion relating to the topic development. It belongs to standard 10th chapter number 1. What is development? Can you define it? Developmental goals differ person to person. So how can we define development? People have different goals, and according to their goals, they have different notions relating to development. For example, a farmer living in a village will have different goals from others. It's because his life situation will be something different than the people living in urban areas. He will think simply that he can earn his bread 2 times, and he may be able to teach his children in a village school. Moreover, he may expect some respect from his villagers. But the urban people will have different goal. He would like to have some comforts and luxuries to lead his life enthusiastic spirit. If we talk about boys and girls simply, a girls will think for complete freedom. A boy will also feel for complete freedom. Their feeling may be same, but girls don't get so. So here also this goal of freedom is getting different. Developmental goals differ person to person according to the economic condition. Could you clear? Secondly, so far as the World Bank states that income method should be considered as developed one or undeveloped one for the country. A country if has a high per capita income, according to the World Bank, that country should be decided as a developed one, and the country who has poor per capita income, that country should be considered as developing country. So income method according to the World Bank is the key factor of development. But I would like to say that is it right? Simply if you will find out per capita income, then it will not be the exact one. Per capita income you have already studied in standard 9th, that is found national income divided by total population of the country. So the result becomes the average income, not exact, firstly. Secondly, the World Bank states that per capita income method should be considered to compare the country, that which country is developed one and which country is developing one. It is not quite correct. I think some other components should also be considered. UNDP, you must have heard about this one, United Nations Development Program. It has given some other criteria, that is per capita income, life expectancy, and literacy rate. These three things should also be considered. Because money is not the whole and sole thing. By means of money, you cannot get anything. Anything meaning thereby, by means of money, you cannot get true friendship. You cannot get a pollution-free environment. So, money is not the key factor for the development. For the development, sustainable development is required, and you must have studied about sustainable development. That according to it, we must use our resources in a judicial way without damaging our environment. If we shall consume our resources at a tremendous speed, then the development of the next generation will become hampered. And even it may be hampered at present also. So first of all, resources should be used in a judicious way. Thereafter, I would like to say relating to resources that is known to you, suppose water. If you will use water without any thinking, you will waste water, then there will be the scarcity of water. If you will use minerals without taking any care, then there will be scarce of minerals, and you people may also suffer, and your future generation may also suffer. So for the development, first of all, we should conserve our resources and use it in a judicious way. So development can take place only by our own thinking and by taking our precautionary measures. So development differs from persons to persons, that I have already told you, but in nutshell I would like to say that you may yourself find out whatever I have told you. Apart from these, you must think what should be other criteria for counting the levels of development of the various countries. That's all, students. Thank you very much.